Well, hello everyone. I'm glad to present this. And our topic you already heard. Well, sorry? Slide before? Or am I clicking? Oh, yes, thank you. That's fine. Well, I would like to start not with some statistics, but with one simple question. I would like you to look around at those gorgeous walls and think what are they made of? Well, most likely they're artificial materials that negatively affect human health. But what if it could be different? I'm talking about natural building material hempcrete. It's completely non-toxic material with deep roots in Ukrainian tradition. Hemp processing takes place in a lot of regions in Ukraine, including Chernobyl, Zhytomyr, Kyiv, Chernihiv, Sumy, Cherkasy, and Poltava regions. You can see them. And now imagine that the most powerful hemp processing industrial park in the whole Europe is located right here in Ukraine. It's located in the village Vyzhyny, the Zhytomyr region. I'm talking about Marjani Hemp Company. Marjani Hemp Company has production capacity designed to perceive harvest from 20,000 hectares of hemp field each season. The development of the hemp industry and hemp production companies is supported by the Ukrainian Hemp Building Association. It's a community of professionals that includes processing enterprises, researching institutes, farmers, construction companies, and manufacturers of related products. They all see great potential in the industrial hemp as a driver for sustainable development for the country. Also, strong scientific foundation has been built by a lot of universities and college, and my college as well. And some of this university is Kyiv National University of Construction and Architecture, Poltava National Technical University, and Kyiv Professional College of Architecture, Construction and Design. At the same time, companies producing hemp-based construction materials, including such companies as Hempire, they made hempcrete and lime hemp plaster. Also is Kotex and Sumkonvol. They made hemp fiber insulation, and Ukrainian hemp hurts and fiber. Thanks to these efforts, thousands of hectares are already cultivated, hundreds of homes have been built, and hundreds of families live happier and healthier life. Construction should work with climate and with people, not harvest all living things. And also, we have an example of hempcrete. It's over there, and if you're interested, you can come closer and look at it, you can touch it, and we take it not just only for you to look at this at slides, but also you can connect with this material. Yes. And now I would like my colleague to tell you more about this biology part, about some scientifics more.
So besides standard materials, can I have the next slide, please? Oh. Besides standard materials, hempcrete is a special natural material. It's very renewable. The industrial hemp grows to full size in just 100 days without using any pesticides. Also, it's pretty simple to use and works well in many modern building projects. The hempcrete follows the ideas of the new European Bauhaus. It combines sustainability and beauty while encouraging people from different fields to work together during construction. Most importantly, hempcrete is carbon negative. The plant takes CO2 from the air while it grows, and the lime binder keeps absorbing carbon dioxide for many years. To understand this better, one single house can store up to 30 tons of CO2 for its life. The lime in the mix makes the material naturally clean. It's completely resistant to mold, pests, or rodents. And can you think of any other building materials that can offer such a great health benefits? I bet nothing's on your mind. Hempcrete works like a third lung for a building. It automatically keeps the humidity inside at the perfect 40 to 60%. It's great at keeping heat inside and keeps the temperature steady for all year round. Also, it blocks noise very well, creating a quiet and peaceful home. In the context of the war in Ukraine, this material is a safer choice. The light pieces of hempcrete are much less dangerous than heavy concrete or fine bricks. Even though the material is made from plants, it does not burn easily. The material coating protects every fiber. And finally, it's a zero waste. When the building is no longer needed, you can just grind the hempcrete up and reuse it as the raw material, or even as a fertilizer. This closes a perfect ecological loop. And now I want to take a speech to another speaker, Katya. She'll talk about the projects we already built.
According to estimates by the Ministry of Economy and Kiev School of Economics, the total cost of housing reconstruction amounts to $86 billion. We propose to rebuild better than before, energy efficient, environmentally sound, and durable. Over the next 2 to 3 years, Ukraine can process approximately 10,000 hectares of hempcrete, enough to produce 500,000 homes. This volume fits well within the current international context. From 2026, the EU will require member states to source up to 40% of construction materials from green categories. For Ukraine, this means both a condition of European integration and an export opportunity. The financial framework is already in place. The Ukraine Facility Program, EBRD credit lines under the EU KEEP, and support from NEFCO cooperation.
So you do have lower amount of time, so 1 minute please to finalize your presentation and we can finish.
Sure. I just quickly want to tell you about the project that's already working. So 450 homes were built for people who lost their house because of the war under the Build Back Better initiative, with hempcrete as one of the primary construction materials. And the project is co-financed by the Dutch-Ukrainian Partnership Facility and the Ukrainian state program відбудові. As a conclusion, I just want to say that we already have an international support, the technology, and the rest is based. So the task now is to scale what works. Thank you for your attention. And we also prepared little samples for you, so you can take it as a gift for yourself. It will be at the first stage.
Thank you.